Hi, I'm Constantine Stefanakos, Cyber Gaming and Media Lab Engineer here at Florida Polytechnic University, here with Dr. Melvin Ford. She has organized an event here, and we're going to talk just a little bit about it. So what's going on today?
Okay, so we have this Biology Integrated Outlook Expo. This is basically part of the requirement in the biology class where students are supposed to come up with their poster project where they're going to showcase, like what you have seen right now, the main purpose of which is for the students to be able to integrate biology in the STEM field. And so you can see it comes from various, areas of fields of study. Some are how biology is applied in engineering, in computer science, all of that put together. And so that's the main purpose.
So what I'm seeing, though, is a lot of students and professors actually coming out and looking at the event, and they're kind of wide-eyed in a way because there's some really good ideas that are being put out there. Can you talk about a couple of them that you think are great?
Yes, honestly, me myself, being the instructor in this, I was overwhelmed. When I kind of put this in the table, I was expecting, simple studies, students can come up, and when they came up with their ideas, I was blown away. I mean, honestly, I was blown away. And so when this came into real application already, there's a lot of involvement on this. So the students came up with the idea, but then they have to go seek guidance from other faculty as well. And so this is the integration aspect. Basically, is not just the study itself, but also the application of the study. So you got integration of faculty, from different fields coming together as well to guide the students. So that's why you see the studies did not just kind of get into the basic part, it now got into the applied part because the faculty, the mentors are also involved.
And that's really important. I mean, that's a big part of the poly
spirit.
The spirit,
yes.
Yeah, is that we're going to go that extra level.
Exactly.
And we're going to go outside of the classroom. We're going to experience a new way of thinking, about learning.
But I'm going to mention though that out of these concepts, we already have 2 projects that actually got funded.
What?
Yes.
What?
Yes, they already won the sustainability competition. So the engineering. So when the engineering came up with that, I also was having this project, and so I was encouraging my students. Like, you can hit 2 birds at one shot. Why don't you, get into a study that relates to your field? If you're in an engineering, get into the engineering, right? And then make it where it fits to the sustainability. So that's what they did, and they got it. So those 2 are definitely, of course, some of the examples that this concepts of the students can actually go far.
Yeah, and we're seeing a lot of really conscientious ideas in there. Things that are dealing with Parkinson's disease, things that are dealing with security and things like the brain.
Right, yeah. I mean, you talk about application.
A lot of diversity.
It's very diverse. So, yes. Yes, and that's what I'm very proud and very happy of what they came up, because it's not like one student, came up with an idea and then the other just kind of diversified that idea. It was a totally different concept,
But the original idea for this event was really your idea, right?
Yes, so I'm the culprit when it comes to that. I try to kind of punish them in a way.
The troublemaker.
Yes, but just like any other, I always treat my students like my own. Where I feel like, okay, they have potential, I'm gonna have to push it, and of course it's painful, right? No kid would like it at the beginning, when it's something that they have to work on, put some sweat on,
And these are first year students?
Yes, these are generally freshmen, okay, very few sophomore in there. So they did not have any experience, most of them did not have any of these. So they started from scratch, and so in the process it was painful. And like I told all of them, maybe when I had my evaluation at the beginning of the semester, I probably had a 0 evaluation because everyone was like, this is just too much, painful. But now you ask them and they're like,
Super
this is,
exciting.
yes.
Yeah, you can see it in their faces.
Yes, and they're like, this is cool, I would rather be here than be in my room, so that's the pride that I take, after that they're embracing it, that they are now liking it, and that's the goal of being a teacher.